welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I'm sitting on my bathroom floor. It's clean, I promise. I am doing a little bit of some spring organizing, and this thing right here has been the most stressful place in our condo. As you can see, this is not very big. This is our only storage in our bathroom. This is under our sink, and basically we need this to store all of my makeup and hair and blah blah blah. I do have an overflow bin that sits under my bed that I put in stuff that I only use once in a while, and what ends up happening is stuff from that bin slowly creeps its way under here. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of decluttering, organizing, and just getting rid of stuff. So I did buy something. Last night I went to Solutions. It's kind of like the Canadian version of the Container Store, and I picked up this two-tier shelf. I really hope that it fits, because I feel like all I've been doing lately is buying stuff and returning it. And hopefully I can alleviate some of the clutter. I'm very scared to show you what's under there. It just, everything gets thrown in. So I'm hoping that this will help me organize my stuff. A lot of Andrew's stuff, he didn't want one of these. It's my stuff piled on top of his stuff. I'm the issue here, not him. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what we're working with. Okay, be prepared. This is what this looks like. And so these two things were kind of my attempts at keeping things relatively organized, but as you can see, I have failed. So yeah, a lot of this stuff I just need to like get rid of. So I'm going to do a little bit of like a speed clean. I'm going to speed up this video so you don't have to watch me like actually go through every single item. Pretty much I'll take everything out and then put it all back in, clean it out, yada yada yada. So without further ado, let's get started.